In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your WooCommerce My Account page. Let's dive in, starting with accessing your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find a section labeled Plugins. Go ahead and click on that link to expand the menu and reveal the option to Add New. This is where our customization journey begins. In the Add Plugins page, you'll notice a search bar located at the top right corner. Click into this bar and type in Customize My Account for WooCommerce. This key phrase is crucial as it leads us to the exact tool we'll be using for our customization, the Sys Basics plugin. Once the search results populate, allow your eyes to scan for the correct plugin. When you see it, go ahead and hit the Install Now button. After a few moments, the button will change to read Activate. Click this as well to enable the plugin and integrate it fully into your WooCommerce setup. With the plugin installed and activated, it's time to configure the settings, which is where the true customization magic happens. Navigate to the plugin settings page. You can usually find this by heading back to your WordPress dashboard and locating the newly added option, often appearing either in the main menu or under WooCommerce settings. Upon opening the plugin settings, you'll be greeted with an array of options to personalize the My Account page to better serve your customers and reflect your brand. Start by configuring the tab layout. This is a powerful feature that lets you rearrange the sections or reorder how information appears on the customer's account page. You might want to prioritize certain tabs like Orders, Downloads, or Account Details, whichever you feel is most pertinent to provide easy access for your users. Next, let's talk about icons. Icons are small graphic elements that enhance the usability and aesthetic appeal of your account page. Within the plugin, you'll find options to select or upload icons beside each tab. Choose ones that are clear, intuitive, and in line with your branding to enhance your page's visual coherence. Moving forward, we address endpoint visibility. This involves deciding which endpoints or sections are visible or hidden when users access their accounts. Tailoring these endpoints allows you to eliminate unnecessary clutter and focus the user's attention on the most relevant information, improving their overall experience on your site. Lastly, customize the content of each tab. By modifying the text or information your customers see, you're ensuring that the content they access is not only informative, but also engaging and reflective of your business ethos. That wraps up our tutorial on customizing your WooCommerce My Account page. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you create a more personalized and efficient user experience for your customers. If you have questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Happy customizing!